only a few days we will see Huawei Mate 30 series smartphones soon, such as Huawei Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro, and we may see the Huawei Mate 30 RS Porsche Design comes as well. Welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. From the images we see from even glass Huawei Mate 30 Pro and Huawei Mate 30 Pro Prosche Design, which there is possibility that all three models will be launched simultaneously. The Huawei Mate 30 Pro comes with a waterfall screen and the top is still a notch screen with a special rounded side edge. On the back there are 4 cameras that are in large circular frame or called Oreo, including the LED flash outside the circle placed in the left hand corner of the machine. The Huawei Mate 30 Pro RS Porsche Design will also comes with 4 rear cameras but will be planted on a rectangle strip in the middle of the device, while the LED flash will be in the same position as the Mate 30 Pro. The Huawei Mate 30 is still using a flat screen and Mate 30 Lite will comes with a 4 rear cameras placed in a square frame, and the selfie camera is positioned on the top right corner of the display screen. In addition, the Huawei Mate 30 RS Porsche Design will come in 2 colors and the specifications are the same as the Mate 30 Pro with a AMOLED screen, Kirin 990 SoC chipset, 8GB/12GB RAM, 512GB ROM, 4500 mAh battery, sport fast charging 40 watts and sport super wireless 27 watts, as well as waterproof, dustproof, IP68 standard, and will come with EMUI 10 using the Android 10 operating system. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the fresh news regarding upcoming Huawei Mate 30, Mate 30 Pro and RS Porsche Design. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, My Technological World, and stay blessed. Peace out. Take care. Bye bye.